Hello everyone, my name is David Parraguirre. I'm the Mexican Carpenter. I decided to build this shed maybe around 7 years ago. I was planning to do my little tiny shop. It was too small for me, so I decided to convert this now on my future office and studio. I decided to change the exterior aspect of it. We decided to use this LP SmartSide, which I really like it, and I'm really pumped with the color. I was looking for a different look of what I'd seen before, and I went for all the black exterior, including soffit and fascia, which I really like it. But overall, good system, good finish. The color is obvious black, and I really recommend it. In this small shed, we decided to use lap siding and cedar shake, but that's not the only options they have. They also have big panels, 4x8 panels, and boarded and bedded siding. One advantage with LP SmartSide is the 16-foot length. It comes in longer pieces, including soffit and fascia, which allow us to do less seams at the time of installation.